Well, hello. Thank you, and welcome to the 2014 Cisco Data Center Partner Connection. My name is Joe Popp, and I'm very excited to be your MC for the next couple of days. I'm here to not only give our presenters the introductions they so richly deserve, but to keep you informed and on track so that you don't miss any of the amazing opportunities that we here at Cisco have made available to you. Now, I have to admit to all of you, I wasn't the Cisco team's first choice. Cisco wanted someone with a little more, name recognition. But then they got together and decided they didn't want the MC to be a distraction to all the great information that'll be shared here. Besides, Toronto Mayor Rob Ford didn't become available as everyone expected. I thought he'd have some free time about now. This is a great location for a meeting, isn't it? Yeah? Yeah. Puerto Rico's brand is the All-Star Island. And you know what? We have an all-star lineup for you to connect with. This week, we encourage you to make sure you get what you came for. In our registration survey, we asked you to tell us the top 3 reasons that you are attending DCPC. And what you told us was networking with Cisco executives and peers, to discover new business opportunities, and to learn about new Cisco DC strategies. Well, the agenda that we have planned for you will drive us toward these desired outcomes. Let's go ahead and get rolling, all right? Our Cisco sponsor of this week's event, Todd Meister, he's going to kick us off with how Cisco is working closely with our partners as we evolve together to market trends, driving relevance and delivering business outcomes. Now, Todd might have started his success in his family's cheese business in Wisconsin, it's true, but there's nothing cheesy about the top 100 and top 75 channel executive awards that he's won, or that his connected architecture team influenced nearly $10 billion in bookings in 2012. It is now my pleasure to introduce Cisco's Vice President of Software and Solutions Innovation, America's partner organization, Todd Meister. Cheese whiz, that was a good presentation. Sorry, I know cheese puns are grating. Like me, I'm sure you've come out of that presentation remembering more than Todd's cheese history, right? For example, understanding that by developing our partnerships, the results are going to be customer solutions that deliver business outcomes. See, I was paying attention. So we've started by delving into solutions innovation. Now let's move into strategy, all right? Our next presenter, David Yen, has nearly 3 decades of knowledge, expertise, and passion for engineering excellence. Not only does David hold 3 US patents, but actually before joining Cisco, David helped transform Sun from a workstation company into a leading enterprise server company. He's now responsible for continuing the success of the Cisco Unified Computing System and Cisco Nexus switching portfolios, and for taking Cisco's leadership in the data center to the next level. So to share with us Cisco's latest data center strategy and vision, please welcome Senior Vice President and General Manager, Data Center Group, Mr. David Yen. Some would say with working with our partners to drive growth and profitability within a Cisco data center practice, it takes art. You need to understand partner challenges and leverage best practices, right? And many of our partners have personally witnessed great success through partner discovery and proposition workshops. Well, we have art. He's been on all sides of the equation, from customer to partner. Please welcome Cisco's partner business consultant, partner enablement, Art Barakas. How many walked away with one of those eye patches from last night? Got one of those eye patches, yeah? Anyone have 2 and using them for a good rest this morning? Well, look, we wanted to show you some photos from last night, but well, we thought better of it. These days, everything seems to be, internet fodder, become viral. But you know what? If you'd like to see some of the crazy antics from some of you last night, you can find lots of stills and videos at www.nsa.gov. Welcome to our final day of Cisco's Data Center Partner Connection. Now, it might be the last day, but some might say that we've saved the best for last. So again, I remind you to work any of your departing logistics around this schedule today. You don't want to miss anything. Now, did everyone have a good time last night? Yeah?
You guys know how to have fun, I'll tell you. I don't know about you, but I felt like that was like a full immersion into the Puerto Rican culture. Now, it could have been the rum, or maybe in combination with those great cigars, but I guess I called my wife in Chicago last night. I have to admit, I don't remember doing it. But I understand from a message I got from her this morning that I said something like, sell the house, we're moving to Puerto Rico, and start calling me Jose. All right, let's go ahead and get rolling. You know, I've got to ask you, though, is there another word out there used more than the word cloud? I think there's a reason for it. It's like taxes, right? Everything that exists is either taxed or will be taxed, right? Well, every business out there is either in the cloud or will be. Now, that's what I call sales opportunities. Right now, we're going to hear about Cisco's cloud strategy and plan, your opportunities to sell cloud, and how Cisco can help you go to market and accelerate cloud sales. And who better to talk sales than a seasoned salesman, someone who has sold just about everything from mutual funds to life insurance. Please welcome Cisco Vice President, Worldwide Partner Sales, Bob Gold. Well, to all of you out there, I have to say we definitely got what we came for, and more. The networking with Cisco executives and peers. We've discovered all sorts of new business opportunities and are fully educated on new Cisco data center strategies for today, tomorrow, together.